James Chapman sent me a wheelchair, and I want to show how easy it was. It came in a box like this, but it came with extra Allen nut screws, a couple of Allen wrenches, and I want to show you. It's very easy to operate. The legs came off, but there's little rubber nipples that cover the top, and the adjustment is very, very simple. You unscrew this, and the legs go up and down. And with the Allen wrenches, there's a little screw here in the bottom, makes this adjustment right here on the length of the equipment. Okay, little Rambo. We'll make it a little easier. The chair just goes around them like that. It's got a strap. Legs have to go through the chest section, and then it straps around his back. Come on, little boy. See how that works? It's freaking awesome. I want to thank you, James Chapman, for everything that you've done for little Rambo.